People asked us, are you crazy? Do you really think people are gonna come to Troy, Texas to stay in a silo house? Yes, if you build it, they will come. I believed it. I believed it with all of my heart that it would happen. Hi, I'm Bonnie Chapa, farmer, owner, operator of the silo house at Laughing Llama Farm in Troy, Texas. The silo house at Laughing Llama Farm is a refurbished grain bin. The silo house has a full kitchen. It has an upstairs loft. It sleeps 4 people, has a front porch, an outdoor shower, a full indoor bathroom, all the modern conveniences you'd ever find in a tiny house footprint. Typically when people come to the silo house, they arrive, and when they open up that door, it's exactly what I wanted. That feeling of home the minute they walk in. When you look up, there is a reclaimed barn wood ceiling. And then there are little bits and pieces of reclaimed ideas. There is the old International Harvester refrigerator door from the 50s that is on the wall. Upstairs, the hood off of my brother's 1970-something blue turquoise truck that he wrecked. Painted the Longhorn on that hood, and that is the headboard. There is a island in the kitchen that I painted. Found an old workbench. I took the vices off the end of it, smeared some paint on it. The outdoor shower, there is a tractor hood that the shower head actually comes out of. Reduce, recycle, reuse, repurpose, all of those things, we have a responsibility to that. And there is a little bit of nostalgia that you wrap in there with the feeling of hominess. So I hope that when people come and stay at the silo house, that they understand it is truly the labor of love, and we are sharing that with our guests. You know, we put our heart and soul into this thing. There's sacks of llama feed in there, and all you do is you just stand out there at the fence and you holler, llama, llama, ding dong, and the llamas come running. They know they're gonna get fed, and they love interacting with the guests. Llamas are wonderful, majestic animals. They are sweet and kind. We're on a working farm, set out in the country in the peace and quiet, and people come from all over the world to come and stay here.
Out in the country, it gives an opportunity to kind of disconnect from today's world. If you want to just engage with nature, look at the animals, you know, have your favorite beverage on the front porch and just chill out.
They can go fishing, they can hang out here at the porch, and they're disconnected from the world, and they love the peace and quiet of the country, being a part of that life that they don't necessarily have at home. But when I first said that I was thinking about building a house out of a grain bin, people thought I was crazy. My dad is the engineering expert of anything you could ever want to do. So I went to Daddy and I told him, I said, hey, I'm kind of thinking of this, and he thought I was crazy too.
You know, she comes up with some crazy ideas.
So when my dad told me, all right, if you're gonna do this, do it good.
I kind of felt like it was gonna happen one way or the other.
So I told my dad when we were building the silo house, I said, you don't have to do anything. And that's like talking to a wall. My dad loves a good project.
If you know Bonnie, she, you know, you get included whether you want to or not, you know.
We couldn't have done it without him.
Recently retired from my job and kind of felt like, well, let's go do whatever there is to do.
Taking something out of your head that you have dreamed up, drawn out on an iPad, to physically having concrete trucks pouring a slab and cranes putting down a grain bin, you stand back and you look at it and you go, wow, we're really doing this?
The year since it's been opened, just the feedback and the experiences that some of the guests have had over that period of years, just icing on the cake.
This experience that they have, it's a farm stay. Something so basic, something so simple. In a pasture with some llamas and some sheep, and you can go fishing in the tank. It has such deep meaning to those people who get to experience it. It's more than a place to stay. It is a part of our home that we love to share. It's more than just, hey, you want to come in, punch your ticket, and come in here and stay. It's more than that. It's a story.